In this question, we have to solve this set of simultaneous equation. So as you can see, there's a fraction in one equation and the other one is just like in non-fraction form. So let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the substitution method for this. I'm going to take the second equation, which is 5x plus y equals to 28. I'm going to make y the subject of this equation. Y would equal to 28 minus 5x. And I'm going to call this a third equation. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute the third equation in equation 1. So that's going to be 1 over 2x minus 3 times 28 minus 5x equals to 9. That's going to be 1 over 2x minus 3 times 28, which is going to be 84, minus 15x equals to 9. It's going to give us 1 over 2x minus 84 plus 15x equals to 9. 1 over 2x plus 15x equals to 9 plus 84. 1 over 2x plus 15x equals to 93. I'm going to multiply the entire equation by 2 to get rid of the fraction. So that's going to be x plus 30x equals to 186. 31x equals to 186. X is 186 divided by 31. And that's going to equal to 6. So now to find the corresponding y value, we're going to substitute x equals to 6 in number 3. So y equals 28 minus 5 times 6, which is 28 minus 30, and that's negative 2. So when x is 6, y is negative 2. That is your answer.